Today, we're going to be talking about Pewdiepie. Plus, we're also going to be talking about Bitcoin's price jump. Yeah, it jumped again, literally right before I started recording this thing. But really, we're just going to be talking about Pewdiepie. But no, wait, we're going to be talking about the price. You know what? Stay tuned to find out. Hey brother, what you watching? Yeah? What'd you call me? You called me a bitch lasagna. What the fuck? What the hell was that? Oh, you're watching Pewdiepie? Oh, okay. Alright. What? Nah. Are you serious? Seriously? Oh shit, you're right. Oh fuck, you know what? I gotta go tell these people. Hey, how's it going, these people? And welcome back. Today is, fuck, you know, let me check. Hold on a second. Alright, I'm back. Today is Thursday. I already forgot. No, actually, today is Thursday, April 11th, 2019. And welcome back. Happy 4/11. Wait, something about that isn't right. Let's just do some numbers real quick. Pewdiepie has 94 million subscribers. And if you guys aren't aware exactly of who Pewdiepie is, but he is the #1 YouTuber on the platform, period, end of story. He's been around for a very long time, has a humongous fan base, and in recent months, there has been this entity out there, the mother YouTube channel called T-Series, which is like, I don't know, like MTV for India, for the whole country of India. But you know, there's something like an MTV or a Comedy Central, CNN, you know, kind of like all that combined into one channel, and it's called T-Series, and they're in India. And I don't know if you guys know, but in India, everyone like is really getting on the grid like this, and everybody's getting on the phone and on YouTube and all that good stuff. So literally almost overnight, this T-Series got to the top spot with Pewdiepie. And in recent months, I want to say, damn, it's been a while now, I want to say like 3-4 months, there has been this thing going on pretty much since the beginning of the year now, in which Pewdiepie and Pewdiepie's fans did not want to allow T-Series, you know, to surpass Pewdiepie. So just as fast as the subscriber base T-Series was increasing, just because of, again, it was just blowing up in India, and India has like 1 billion people. You know, all of a sudden the 9-year-old army, that's what Pewdiepie calls his fans. Anyways, Pewdiepie's fans took it upon themselves to do everything humanly possible to keep getting people to subscribe and like tell everybody to subscribe to Pewdiepie, and it's been a whole thing, and I cannot believe I'm making an episode talking about subscribe to Pewdiepie. By the way, subscribe to Pewdiepie. And as a matter of fact, this is actually what this is. I've become what I've hate.
This means so much. Let's see. Thank you so much. Awesome, thank you.
Thank you. Pewdiepie.
Look at, what does it say?
Subscribe to Pewdiepie.
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 We got one person to subscribe to Pewdiepie.
I'm just fucking with you. Anyways, but this whole movement started to subscribe to Pewdiepie, and sure enough, at first no one thought that it was going to get any traction, but hey, for months, you know, they have been keeping track with the growth of T-Series, and they're neck and neck, you know, all the way through, which is kind of crazy. So, you know, literally, you know, Pewdiepie, despite what you might think of him, he is part of, you know, everyday life in a weird way for a lot of people, and as each day goes on, he is only going to be more of a mainstream name than ever before. And the topics he chooses to talk about are topics that a lot of us that watch my videos, that you're watching my videos, you know, when we talk about conspiracy, when we're talking about censorship, when we're talking about, you know, everything that we talk about, he likes to talk about these things. He lightly touches on them because obviously he's a bigger public figure and so on and so forth. But now that he's moving on to Dlive, well, now he's going to have an uncensored platform to really do anything and everything he wants. And now this is when the game really starts, in my opinion. All right, why? Because now not only does he have 94 million subscribers, but it's going to keep growing and growing. And as more people find out about what he's doing, more people are going to be intrigued and follow him. When he does his first show on Sunday, on April 14th, and all of a sudden the show is finally done. We don't know what he's going to do on that show. That's also going to gain traction, gain fandom, gain viral status online, and so on and so forth. And it's just going to keep snowballing from here on in. Okay? And this is like beyond incredible, because when we have been talking about, hey, we got to get on Dlive or BitTube or some other decentralized type platform like this, okay? Whether it's the Twitter, versions, whether it's Gab or I forgot the names of the other ones, or other ones. There's all kinds of entities. Again, in the YouTube space, we've had many that, and none of them have really been kind of successful. In fact, Twitch was something that was kind of born out of that, and even that has obviously been compromised by the corporations and so on. So our dreams within the crypto space has always been to get like a major creator to jump on board to the crypto space, to the whole blockchain space, and join one of these servers. Not services, because these aren't streaming services, these are blockchains. So guess what? PewDiePie, the biggest one of them all, has literally called out and said, hey, I am now going to exclusively live stream. He's still going to be on YouTube, but he's going to exclusively live stream on a decentralized, censorship-free platform that allows its users to earn tokens, earn value, earn money, and allows the creator, which is PewDiePie or whoever's on there, I'm going to be on there as well, allows us to also get more value for our time and for our efforts, and again, not worry about any kind of problem from the man. So this is a major move. So I want to give a huge round of applause, I swear, seriously, to the people down at Dlive. Seriously, you guys killed it by getting PewDiePie. I also want to give a huge shout out and another round of applause to PewDiePie for setting the standard, because from this moment on, now everyone's going to start jumping on board behind him. That's it. It's all about, you already know, the cool kid at the party. It's like, it's going to get to the point, which within a few months, that if you're not on Dlive, then you ain't on it. Kind of like how Snapchat, did its thing. Kind of like a lot of these things did their thing, okay? TikTok or whatever the F, is going on now. Well, Dlive is not going to be the next one of these things. Expect Gary Vee to start talking about this within the next month or two. Just saying. Just letting you guys know. What just happened right now that nobody's talking about for whatever reason is this humongous avalanche, okay, of mass adoption that is coming into the crypto space and learning in mass what this stuff really means and what it really stands for, and so on and so forth. They're not in it for the money, they're in it again for the freedom of speech and all that other beautiful stuff that we talk about here all the time. So again, maybe that's why a lot of other crypto YouTubers are not emphasizing so much on this story or talking about the story, because hey, maybe they're just in it for the money, which is, again, that's fine, nothing wrong with that. Wolf of Wall Street is quoted on this channel a lot. I'm all about that. But again, meaning I'm all about that in the sense that, like, hey, I'm all about other people being in that. I'm not all about that. I don't do that, obviously. You see me, I don't do that. And again, there's nothing wrong with it, but again, that's not what I like to focus on. I like to focus on, pretty much the bigger picture. In fact, a lot of traders might watch me, for insider type knowledge, for real knowledge. People that are real traders, are real, that know all these things, no matter what they're trading. They know that it's not just, triangles and, hexagons and all this shit. No, it's actually knowing about the project, knowing about the thing, knowing about what's going on, knowing about all these other extracurricular activities, knowing about, the bigger picture, thinking outside the box, so on and so forth. That's what really makes a badass trader out there. So that's why I know traders watch me and stuff like that. Because again, I provide knowledge that, a lot of others don't. Hey, there's a lot of people out there that do provide amazing knowledge, all right? I'm not trying to be here tooting my own horn. Just a little bit. He made me do it. But look, the point is that this story should be catching like wildfire. People should be talking about this en masse throughout the whole crypto space as to how what an amazing turn of events this has been. And like I was emphasizing in yesterday's show and talking about the fact that we have summer that's about right around the corner. And when kids come home from school, when they're at home and they're on their computers and they're doing all that good stuff, and now they're learning about what's going on with the blockchain and this technology. There's their biggest rock star type figure is teaching them. And again, when PewDiePie says, oh, my 9-year-old army, a lot of the 9-year-old army are people his age, people like me, people like you, people that grew up with him on YouTube and know who he is, and so on and so forth. It's just that the media doesn't paint a really good light of PewDiePie. The media doesn't like PewDiePie for obvious reasons, for the things that I already talked about, because of the things that he likes to talk about. And now that he's going to be on a platform where he gets to express himself a little more freely, oh man, we're going to see some amazing content, I really think, from him. And again, it's only the beginning. We're going to see many, many, many other YouTubers follow suit, okay? Because they're going to learn through him, they're going to get encouraged through him, and so on and so forth, okay? And it's a beautiful day. I really do think so. Because again, most kids right now, and when I say kids, I'm really talking about anyone in in their early 20s and below. All right, and anyone within their 20s and below. Kids these days, they grew up already with a concept of what cryptocurrency is. Because they already use cryptocurrency. Or version of cryptocurrency, or a version of a digital currency when they play their games, when they're on Steam, not Steam It, but Steam, when they are, again, in Fortnite, and so on and so forth, Twitch, you name it. They all have some version of a digital currency. So now they're going to be introduced to not just another digital currency, but they're going to be introduced now to like a real ecosystem, and they're going to learn what all this really means. So again, just like I was saying in the previous episode before the live stream, talking about the banks, are on their deathbed, it's things like this. At the end of the day, it's a race now. Now it's a race. Now it's the old legacy banking system in a race with crypto and Bitcoin. All right, to see who can grab the most amount of people before it's all said and done. And guess what, guys? We already know who's going to win this. We already know who's faster. We already know who's really going to, change the game here. It's crypto, all right? Simple as that. So I really hope that today's episode was informative. And in fact, let's talk a little bit more. Let's talk 2 more seconds. Let's talk about price, because I did say I was going to talk about price. So again, everything that I just said now is obviously going to relate into price. Things like this are now going to start becoming bigger. More. And PewDiePie was just the first one. We're going to see bigger and bigger moves. Like I said a million times over on this channel, it's not about, the institutional money coming in or the rich people and putting money in or anything like that. No, it's really all about just mass adoption, guys. That's all it's about. And that's what we're going to be seeing in mass right in front of our eyes starting now. Literally. Well, actually starting this Sunday, April 14th. But again, starting now, because as you guys were watching yesterday's live stream, there's already 5,000 plus people just watching a live stream of a countdown. All right, let alone all the thousands of people. I mean, I think I forgot what the number was, but it was like 500,000 people at the very least, okay, that were already signed up. Okay? And sure, 500,000 doesn't sound like a lot in comparison to 94 million, but 500,000 is 500,000. He's already the #1 subscribed Dliver in Dlive, and he hasn't even made his first Dlive live stream yet. So, like I said, this is only the beginning. Think of how, the process of how YouTube was created and all these things have been, the whole process. And again, we're just the beginning of a new cycle here with this stuff. And again, the price is now going to start dictating that. Again, as I started filming, we were already at 5,400 and climbing. And again, it's just going to continue. We're going to see little pullbacks here and there, but that's it, guys. We're going up from here. We've already hit bottom. All we've had has been good news for over a year, and now we're actually seeing the results of this good news. And more importantly than anything else, we are seeing the banks finally push back and fight back, like hard. like for reals, like actually doing stuff. So we're seeing a culmination of all these things coming together, and again, it's the price. All this is going to reflect in its price. We're going to see the price of all these assets increase, just like we're watching gold and silver for obvious reasons. But hey, if you guys know what's going on, then hey, I think I'm going to end it here. So please buy Bitcoin, buy gold, buy silver, buy Litecoin, buy other assets that are extremely important to your personal future. All right, get involved in this space. Okay, whatever way it is, you know, whether it's just getting on Dlive and learning what it is, or actually, you know, doing some stuff. Okay, but anyways, regardless, guys, just get involved. That's the last thing I'm gonna say. I want to cut this video short already. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here today and being here every single day to watch me. The reason I'm here making videos and uploading stuff every day for you guys is because guess what? You guys are here watching it. Otherwise, I wouldn't be making stuff, okay? All right? Actually, I still would. You already know me. But the reality is, and now as the avalanche is continuing, that's where we got to keep it going. And again, just to go back to Pewdiepie, he makes daily content too. Sure, it's not going to be daily on Dlive, but I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, it's only the beginning. So guys, please, don't forget to stay awesome. Don't forget to please like, please subscribe, please share. Thank you again to all my patrons. Thank you so much to everyone that helped me with donations. Thank you so much to everyone that's been helping me, you know, along thus far, especially with my situation that I was dealing with, you know, not so long ago. Thank you. You guys all know who you are. Every single one of you that has helped me deal with this situation. It's pretty much almost over, and I really hope that by this time next week, it's all going to be good news and freedom. All right. So again, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to, I think I already said that, right? Don't forget to please like, please subscribe, please share, please hit that bell icon, and I'll see you guys mañana. Peace.